a Friday night, sunset turning gold to light. You were dancing barefoot in the sand, smiling like you had the world in hand. You said, come on, let's get lost. No maps, no time, no second thoughts, just hearts beating in the breeze, falling fast and feeling free. By the waves we kissed the night, under stars that felt so right. Your lips were sweet, your touch was so like the tide, you pulled me close. By the waves we made a vow, no one else, just here and now. Even if it fades away, I'll remember us by the waves. Lemon drinks and lazy days, sun-kissed love in a golden haze. We wrote our names on the shore, watch the sea erase no more. You laughed and said let's never change, but we knew seasons rearrange. Still I feel that summer heat when I play our melody. By the waves we kissed the night, under stars that felt so right. Your lips were sweet, your touch was so like the tide, you pulled me close. By the waves we made a vow, no one else, just here and now. Even if it fades away, I'll remember us by the waves. Now every shoreline sings your name, and every sunset feels the same. I smile, I sigh, I feel the flame of summer love that still remains. By the waves will always be a perfect part of you and me. No matter how the seasons change, you're mine forever by the waves.